Okay, I got the exhaust manifolds off. Everything look good. Turbo's off. Everything look brand new. Don't even look like I've used it inside. And I'll put you guys back on tripod. And I'll take these rockers off and take his head off. Alright, got it all loose. Let me reposition a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's a lot of fluid. Don't let the dog out. Yeah. Well, first mistake using this stupid gasket here. Never use Velcro, guys. That's all they had at the store that day. And look where we're at. Junk. But everything else looks good. Flat tops look good. All that stuff looks perfect. Let me rotate the motor over, kick all that shit out of there, and I'll report back. Well, there's the head. I think it was probably right here. Looks like it's a little cleaner. I don't know. Maybe somebody with more knowledge could let me know, but new gaskets and heads going on anyways.